Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily English Listening Stories. I am your host, Leo. I am so happy you are here with us today. How are you feeling right now? Are you happy? Are you tired? Or maybe you are excited. Today, we have a very special topic. We are going to learn how to talk about emotions, feelings, the good ones, the bad ones, and the strange ones. And I am not alone. Today, I have a wonderful guest. Please say hello to Anna.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here. Thank you for inviting me.
It is great to see you, Anna. So, Anna, I have a question for you to start. How are you feeling today?
Honestly, Leo, I am feeling a little nervous
Nervous? Why?
because I want to do a good job. Speaking on a podcast is exciting, but also scary.
Don't worry, Anna. You are doing great. See, we are already using emotion words. Nervous, excited, scared. Today, we will learn many more words like these.
Yes, it is very important to describe how we feel. It helps us connect with people.
Exactly. So let's start with the basics, the big four emotions. Happy, sad, angry, and scared. Anna, when do you feel happy?
Oh, that is easy. I feel happy when I eat pizza. Pizza always makes me happy.
Me too. Pizza is happiness. Another word for happy is glad. I am glad to be here.
Or pleased. I am pleased to meet you.
Okay, what about the opposite? Sad. When do you feel sad, Anna?
I feel sad when it rains all day. I miss the sun. And I feel sad when I watch a sad movie. Sometimes I cry.
Oh, it's okay to cry. Sometimes we feel upset. Upset is like sad, but maybe a little angry too, like when you lose your keys.
Oh, I hate that. I feel very upset when I lose my phone.
Now, let's talk about angry. Nobody likes to be angry, but it happens. When do you feel angry, Anna?
I feel angry when my computer is slow. I want to work, but the computer says no. It is so frustrating.
Yes, frustrated is a great word. It means you want to do something, but you can't, like opening a jar that is stuck. Ah, so frustrating.
Or annoyed. Annoyed is a small anger, like when a fly is buzzing near your ear. That is annoying.
Yes, flies are very annoying. Okay, the last big one, scared. What makes you scared, Anna?
Spiders. Big, hairy spiders. I am very scared of them.
We can also say afraid. I am afraid of spiders too. But sometimes we're just nervous, like you were at the start of the podcast, or before a big test.
Or worried. Worried is when you think about a problem a lot. Did I lock the door? Is my cat okay? That's worry.
Those are the basics, but English has so many beautiful words for feelings. Let's look at some positive ones. What about proud?
Proud is a warm feeling. You feel proud when you do something good. I felt proud when I learned to drive a car.
That is a good feeling. I feel proud when our listeners learn new words. What about relieved?
Oh, relieved is the best. It's the feeling after you were worried. Imagine you think you lost your wallet. You look everywhere. You are scared. Then you find it in your pocket. Phew, that's relief.
Yes. Phew. I love that sound. Another good one is content. It means calm and happy. You don't need anything else. Just sitting in the sun with a cup of tea. That is content.
That sounds lovely. But Leo, what about bad feelings, like embarrassed?
Oh no, the red face feeling. You feel embarrassed when you do something silly, like you walk into a glass door. Bang, and everyone sees you.
Did you do that, Leo?
Maybe yes. Last week, my face was red for 10 minutes. I was so embarrassed.
Poor Leo. Another tricky one is disappointed. This is when you hope for something good, but it doesn't happen. Like you want to go to the beach, but it rains.
Or you order a delicious burger, but it tastes bad. You feel let down. That is disappointed.
And guilty. Guilty is when you know you did something wrong. Like if you eat your friend's cookie.
Hey, did you eat my cookie, Anna?
Maybe. I feel a little guilty now.
It's okay. One more important word, grateful or thankful. This means you want to say thank you to life.
I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my health. And I'm grateful for coffee.
Me too. Being grateful makes you feel happy. Wow, Anna, we learned so many words today. Let's review the special ones quickly.
Okay. Frustrated when you are blocked and annoyed. Relieved when a worry stops. Phew. Content, calm and happy. Embarrassed, red face, silly mistake. Disappointed, sad because something didn't happen. Grateful, feeling thankful.
Perfect. Listeners, you don't need to learn all of them today. Just pick one or two. Try to use them this week.
Yes, instead of I'm fine, say I am content. Instead of I'm okay, say I am relieved.
It makes your English much more interesting. Now, Anna, before we go, I have a question for our listeners. The question of the day.
Ooh, I love this part. What is the question?
The question is, what is one emotion you feel often and why?
That's a great question. Maybe you feel tired because you work hard. Maybe you feel excited about learning English. Or maybe you feel grateful for your friends.
Please write your answer in the comments below. Tell us, I often feel emotion because we love reading your stories.
Yes, writing helps you remember the new words. Please share with us.
Thank you so much for joining me today. This was a fun conversation.
Thank you, Leo. I don't feel nervous anymore. Now I feel happy and relieved.
That's great news. Thank you to everyone for listening. You are doing a wonderful job learning English. Be proud of yourself.
Yes, keep practicing. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.